Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can use your Skiplagged travel credit. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference. And once you tap open a web browser, type in the URL www.skiplagged.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Skiplagged. Now, all you need to do is simply type in the airport where you are flying from and where you are flying to and hit the search flights option. Once you do this, you need to now simply select a flight schedule that is convenient to you. So once you've selected it, you need to tap on book now. After doing this, you will be redirected to this kind of interface, where all you need to do is simply tap on the next button. After doing this, you need to tap on the consent box and tap on proceed. After doing this, you will end up in this kind of interface. So one ad will be played, and after it is done, all you need to do is simply scroll down and tap on continue. After doing this, you need to fill in all the credentials that has been asked, and now the final step is to simply tap on the checkout option. After you hit the checkout, you need to now use the travel credit option to pay your bill. There will be an option called pay with credit or pay with travel credit, and once you tap on it, you can simply use your travel credit to pay your booked flight. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.